Hello everyone, welcome to Race Academy. This is a new series of MCQs on static GK. So if you like the content of the video, then please friends like the video, share it and subscribe to our channel. So now let's moving on to our first question. Question number 1 is, which of the following is not the member country of SAARC organization? Option number A is Afghanistan. Option number B is Bangladesh. Option number C is Bhutan. Option number D is Africa. Right answer is option number D, that is Africa. फ्रेंड्स मैं आप लोगों को कुछ मेन पॉइंट्स भी बताऊंगी टू नोट इट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक बिकॉज दीज हैव बीन फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड इन योर पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन. तो सबसे पहले है फुल फॉर्म ऑफ सार्क, दैट इज साउथ एशियन एसोसिएशन for regional cooperation. It was established in year 1985 and it has total 8 member states. Total 8 member states. 3 I have mentioned in the options, that is Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Bhutan, and other 5 remaining 5 are India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Our next question is, headquarters of WHO are located at? Option number A is Geneva, Switzerland. Option number B is Washington, USA. Option number C is Brussels, Belgium. And option number D is none of these. Right answer to this question is option number A, that is Geneva, Switzerland. First, the full form of WHO is World Health Organization and it was established in year 1948. Our next third question is, headquarters of OPEC are located at? Option number A is Geneva, Switzerland. Option number B is Paris. Option number C is Washington and option number D is Vienna, Austria. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दैट इज वियना, ऑस्ट्रिया. Important points, please write it down. First, it came into being in year, it was established in year 1960. Full form of OPEC is Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries and it has total 13 member states. And please note it down that India is not the member state in OPEC. Our fourth question is, when was FATF founded? Option number A is 1989. Option number B is 1985. Option number C is 1945. And option number D is none of the above. Right answer to this question is option number A, that is 1989. First, the full form of FATF. It is Financial Action Task Force. So our next question is, the total number of member countries of BIMSTEC is? Option number A is 6, option number B is 8, option number C is 7 and option number D is 10. Right answer to this question is option number 7, option number C, that is 7. First, the full form of BIMSTEC is Bay of Bengal Initiative for multi-sectoral, technical and economic Corporation. And as I have told you that it has total 7 member countries. उनका नाम है, फर्स्ट वन इज बांग्लादेश, सेकेंड इज भूटान, देन इंडिया, श्रीलंका, नेपाल, म्यांमार and Thailand. Question number 6 is, which of the following are the institutions under World Bank Group? Option number A is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Option number B is International Development Association. Option number C is International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes. And option number D is all of the above. Right answer to this question is option number D, that is all of the above. In World Bank Group, there are total 5 members, 5 member institutions. 3 I have mentioned in the options, और बाकी के 2 हैं. First is multilateral guarantee agency, that is MIGA, MIGA. And fifth one is International Finance Corporation. Our 7th question is India a member country of International Bank for Reconstruction and Development? Option number A is yes and option number B is no. Answer to this question is option number A, that is yes. And it was established in year 1944 and it is headquartered at Washington DC. Let's moving on to the question number 8. Question number 8 is International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes is headquartered at. Option number A is Geneva. Option number B is Paris. Option number C is Washington DC, USA. And option number D is none. Right answer to this question is option number C, that is Washington DC. And India is not a member state of ICSID and it was established in year 1966. Moving on to the question number 9. Which of the following fundamental rights is available only to the citizens and not to the foreigners? Friends, please इस चीज़ को ध्यान से देखना that I have wrote here that available only to the citizens and not to the foreigners. Option number 1 is Article 14 and Article 15. Option number B is Article 15, Article 16 and Article 19. Option number C is Article 21, Article 20 and Article 21 Clause A. And option number D is none. Right answer to this question is option number B, that is Article 15, Article 16 and Article 19. And also write 2 more articles, that is Article 29 and Article number 30. These are the cultural and educational rights that have been added in the part 3 of the Constitution, that is fundamental rights. Moving on to the question number 10. Question number 10 is tribal areas, the North Kachar Hills district, the Karbi Anglong district, the Bodoland territorial areas district come under which state? Option number A is Assam, option number B is Mizoram, option number C is Tripura and option number D is Meghalaya. Right answer to this question is Assam. This one is from the current affairs because the Bodoland territorial areas is in very much news. Question number 11 is, who was the first Governor General of Bengal? Option number A is Lord Clive. Option number B is Warren Hastings. Option number C is Lord William Bentinck. Option number D is Lord Canning. Reread the question. I have asked about first Governor of Bengal. So the right answer to this question is option number A, that is Lord Clive. Next question is, which day is celebrated as the August Kranti Din? Option number A is August 8th. Option number B is August 10. Option number C is May 11. And option number D is none. As the name suggests, August, so the answer will be August 8. It is the day when Gandhi ji started Quit India movement in the year 1942. Please note that down too. Next question is question number 13. Whose policy was also known as the Blue Water Policy? Option number A is Francisco de Almeida. Option number B is Nino da Cunha. Option number C is Robert Clive. And option number D is Warren Hastings. Right answer to this question is option number A, that is Francisco de Almeida. ब्लू वाटर पॉलिसी को कार्डजे सिस्टम भी बोलते थे. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज कार्डजे सिस्टम. एंड हमें पता है कि फ्रांसिस्को दे अल्मेडा वॉज द पोर्टुगीज गवर्नर दैट वॉज अपॉइंटेड बाय द पोर्टुगीज गवर्नमेंट इन ईयर 1505 फॉर अ टर्म ऑफ 3 years. ये चीज़ें भी साथ में नोट डाउन कर लेना. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. बैटल ऑफ बिदारा वॉज फॉट बिटवीन. ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज इंडिया एंड ब्रिटेन. ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज France and India. Option number C is Dutch and Britain. And option number D is none. Answer to this question is option number C, that is Dutch and Britain. Write down that it was fought in year 1759 and ये last battle थी between Dutch and Britain. Question number 15 is the number of permanent members of UNR. Option number A is 4, option number B is 5, option number C is 6 and option number D is 7. Right answer to this question is option number B. मैं आप लोगों को नाम भी बता देती हूँ उन मेंबर कंट्रीज़ के. फर्स्ट वन इज़ UK, that is United Kingdom. Second one is USA, that is United States of America. Third is Russia. Fourth one is China. And then is France. ये क्वेश्चन मैंने इसलिए लिया था क्योंकि इट वॉज इन सो मच न्यूज़ बिकॉज ऑफ चाइना ड्यू टू द कोविड-19 आउटब्रेक. एंड जो परमानेंट मेंबर्स होते हैं उन्हीं के पास वीटो पावर होती है. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. That is, the Gurumukhi script was introduced by. Option number A is Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Option number B is Guru Amar Das Ji. Option number C is Guru Angad Dev Ji. And option number D is none of these. Right answer to this question is option number C, that is Guru Angad Dev Ji. And we know that Guru Angad Dev Ji was succeeded by Guru Nanak Dev Ji. मैं आप लोगों को कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स भी बता देती हूँ दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर अबाउट गुरु अंगद देव जी. फर्स्ट वन इज हिज रियल नेम वॉज पाई लैना. ही वॉज बॉर्न ऑन March 31, 1504. He was born at the place Matte di Sarai, which is 14 kilometers from Sri Muksar Sahib. His father's name was Paiferu, and his mother's name was Sabirai Devi. He was married to Bibi Khivi. When he was 15 years old, and he assumed the guruship in year 1539 by Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Moving on to the next question, question number 17. Ayodhya city is located on the banks of which river? Option number A is Tapti, option number B is Chambal, option number C is Ganga, and option number D is Saryu. Right answer to this question is option number D, that is Saryu. हम लोगों को पता है कि अयोध्या सिटी में राम मंदिर बन रहा है, so it is also from the current affairs video. Next question is, which of the following is not the member state of G7? Option number A is Canada, option number B is Japan, option number C is India, and option number D is Italy. Right answer to this question is option number C, that is, its full form is Group of Seven. Group of Seven, and as the name suggests, 7 countries. Name of 7 countries are 3 I have mentioned in the options, that is Canada, Japan, Italy, and next 4 countries, remaining 4 countries are France, Germany, United Kingdom, and United States of America. Next question is question number 19. Mekong Ganga Corporation was launched in which year? Option number A is 1995, option number B is 2000, option number C is 1954, and option number D is none of the above. Right answer to this question is option number B, that is 2000. And points to remember are, first it was established in year 2000 at Vientiane, which is in Laos, and it has total 6 member countries, naming first one is our India, and remaining 5 are from the ASEAN countries, which are Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand, and the last one is Vietnam. Question number 19 is, who was the first president of INC, that is Indian National Congress? Option number A is Badruddin Tayyab, option number B is Gopal Krishna Gokhale, option number C is Tej Bahadur Sapru, and option number D is W.C. Banerjee. Right answer to this question is option number D, that is W.C. Banerjee. So friends, this was the last question of our PPT. आई होप आप लोगों को सारे क्वेश्चंस बहुत अच्छे लगे होंगे. मैं आगे भी आती रहूँगी और भी बेहतरीन क्वेश्चंस को लेके. आई होप आप लोग इस सीरीज़ को ज्वाइन करोगे. ये सीरीज़ काफ़ी आगे तक जाएगी. अगर आप लोगों को कंटेंट पसंद आया तो 1500 to 2000 स्टैटिक क्वेश्चंस मैं आप लोगों को करवाऊँगी. एंड यस, थैंक यू. और लास्ट मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है आप लोगों से अनअकैडमी पे फ़नकार सर लाइव क्लासेस ले रहे हैं. पंजाब जीके के रिलेटेड। आई होप आप लोग वहाँ पे जाके इन क्लासेस को ज्वाइन करोगे। एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच।